mom said that you're homeless. Is that true?
No, I'm not homeless. I'm just houseless. Don't worry about me, I'm okay. My husband worked at the USG mine in Empire, and I was a substitute teacher.
It is a tough time right now. You may want to consider early retirement.
I need work. I like work.
What did you name your van?
Vanguard.
Oh, that is very strong.
She is.
You're my sister. When you were growing up, you were eccentric to other people. It was just because you were braver.
One of the things I love most about this life, there's no final goodbye. There's just say, I'll see you down the road. And I do. I see them again.